The heat recovery single-room ventilation unit, Blauberg Vento Expert, off the balance in cost-saving ventilation. Suit to single-room in flats, cottages, public, and commercial premises. The ceramic energy accumulator, regenerator, integrated into Vento Expert, specially designed for cold recovery in the premises. The cold regeneration is based on recovery of extra air, cold energy to cold up fresh air from outside. The cold recovery technology is the most of the art cost and energy solution against permanent cold losses in the premise. The Vento Expert ventilation unit are designed to fit any premise anytime. They are suitable for ventilation projects, new construction, renovation, or refurbishment. Shadow servicing of premises, requiring no central installation or worried, it's economically and practical. The Vento Expert ventilation unit have compact sizes, and requires no extra companions, or air duct works. They are ready to use, and designed for through-the-wall installation. At the outer wall, you only have to prepare core hole. From inside it is covered with decorated ventilation grill, that matches any interior. From outside, it's connected to the ventilation hood, to prevent ingress of water, and foreign objects enter to the ventilation unit. The ventilation unit consists over-angle assembly unit, with a decorated front panel, cartridge, and docked with sound-absorbing material of the outer ventilation hood. Cartridge is the basic functioning part of the ventilation unit. It consists of a fan, energy generator, and 2 filters that ensure rough air filtration. To prevent ingress of dusts, and falling objects into the energy original rhythm of the fan, that indoor assembly unit is equipped with automatic shutters, that closed standstill of the unit, and prevent uncontrolled back airflow and draft. The ventilation hood is installed outside. Ventilation unit operation mode. The ventilation has 2 operation modes. In ventilation mode, the ventilation operates in air extract or supply mode with 3 speeds. In regeneration mode, the ventilation unit operates in reversible mode with cold and humidity recovery, and have the direction changes for every 70 seconds. Phase 1, cold or warm stale air is extracted from the premise, flow through the ceramic air regenerator, and transfer cold and moisture to energy recovery efficiency up to 97%, in 70 seconds. The regenerator cooled up and the unit switches to the supply mode. Phase 2, fresh warm intake air, flows through the ceramic energy regenerator, absorbs accumulated cold or heat and humidity, cooled up until the room temperature. In 70 seconds, the ceramic generator cools down and the unit switches to new cycle. Ventilation unit mounting. Prepare a round core hole in the outer wall. For a core hole size, refer to the operation manual. Lay out the power cable for electricity connection. Prepared then docked with a length to produce 3 mm from the wall, or to be flushed with it. Throw the air duct with a minimum 3 degrees slope downwards, towards outside. The protruding part of the air duct must be dedicated to install the outer ventilation hood. Attach the supplied cardboard now. Contemplate the inner wall using the stickers. The bigger opening must be coaxial with the air duct, and it's recommended to use a level gauge for horizontal alignment on the mounted template. Then make holes for installation of the expansion, and drill the holes to required depth. Then route the power cable from the ventilation unit through the marked opening on the mounted template. Fill the space between the air duct and the wall. Press the side tab to disconnect the front part of the indoor assembly unit from the back part. Fix the back part indoor assembly unit on the wall with screws from mounting clips supplied. Remove the 2 screws retain on the left transparent cover to get access to the connecting terminals. Lay the power cables and perform the electric connection. Fix the power cable with a cable clamp. After completion of the electric connection, reinstall the transparent cover. Insert the cartridge in the air duct, and make sure the point is directed upwards. After that, connect the socket connector to the circuit board. Install the front part of the indoor assembly unit, insert the sound-absorbing material from outside, roll the sound-absorbing sheet to merge the air duct diameter. Keep it with the protected paper layer outside, push the roll until it against the stop with the cartridge, and cut the excess of the sound-absorbing material if excess. Install the outdoor ventilation hood. The electric connection is performed on the terminal block in the control circuit board. Set up on the ventilation unit. Prior to start operation, adjust the ventilation unit, using the DIP switch on the controller circuit board. To access the DIP switch, take off the front panel of the indoor assembly unit and uplift the rubber cover that covered the switch. The ventilation unit may be operated with their push buttons on the casing of the ventilation unit, as well as with the remote control. The ventilation unit is rated for permanent power supply and continuous operation. Disconnect to the ventilation unit from power supply prior to any maintenance operations. Press the side tap to remove the front part of the indoor assembly unit. When installing the front panel back, make sure that the thermal actuator rotated down. If it is uplift, wait until it goes down about a minute. Remove the socket connector from the control board, pull the cord to remove the cartridge from the air duct. Removes the filters from the cartridge, and clean the filters as required. Flush the filters with water, and let them dry out. Then install the dried filters into the air duct. Installation of the single-room reversible ventilation unit with energy regeneration. Vento Expert is the perfect solution to create a comfortable indoor microclimate and an efficient single-room supply with exhaust ventilation.